First trade, first ticks on the markets, and it's quite a flat start coming in for Nifty 50. Almost a 50 points of decline is what we are seeing just at the start, but it's Nifty Bank that is reeling a bit under pressure. 273 points of cut is what we are seeing on that particular stock. Yes, Kotak Mahindra Bank, that's the key drag on the banking index and on the Nifty 52 with a 4% of decline is what we are seeing. Some of the IT counters that are in focus, take a look at Wipro, and these are the stocks that are indeed the top losers on the Nifty 50 side, followed by Titan and Nilson Bank just before its earnings. Hero MotoCorp 2 is almost down 2% in trade right now. So these are some of the movers in trade, specifically on the counters that are seeing decline as of now. And it's TCS and Infosys as well. After that TCS news coming in of a 2% cut on their workforce, that stock is down almost 1% as we speak. What's doing well is select auto counters. Take a look at Bajaj Auto. That's the top stock and the top gainer on the Nifty 50 side, followed by Tata Motors. Yes, that deal between EU and US, that should be taken positively for the Tata Motors investors, and that stock is gaining almost 1%. Cipla, another counter, another result candidate. After that good set of numbers, there were brokerages which have gone ahead and raised the target price on this one. Cipla holding on to the gains of almost 0.5%. Sun Pharma, Apollo Hospital, Dr. Reddy. So Pharma Pack is definitely a bit on the pink of health as we speak right now. And these were some of the movers on the Nifty 50 side. When we look at the breadth of the market, yes, it is tilted in the favor of the declines rather as of now. But have a look at India VIX as well, because that index has also shot up almost 5% as we speak right now and hovering around that 12-odd mark. But Snehi, along with that, a lot of these earning candidates and the newsmakers as well.
Well, absolutely, Shishri. So many numbers to talk about. Let's talk about IDFC First Bank first. Overall, inline set of numbers coming in. There was reduced pain in the MFI segment, so at least looking good for that on that front. We'll see what IDFC Bank is up to. On the flip side, CDSL, weak set of numbers coming in. Whirlpool was mixed. All of these stock reactions are going to be important to watch for. Let's also take a look at what Tata Chemicals is doing in trade right now. EBITDA margins have beaten estimates, and overall, it's a good set of numbers coming in for Tata Chemicals, so looking good on that front as well. Petronet LNG, weak set of numbers coming in. SAIL 2 joining that group of stocks wherein Cure 1 was below estimates, so all of that stocks will be in focus. And Geo Financial Services, the board is going to be meeting on 30th of July to mull fundraising. Want to see what Laurus Labs is doing on the back of two brokerage upgrades coming in and also the land acquisition in Andhra Pradesh. Laurus Labs slightly under pressure, so the brokerage tier has clearly not reached Laurus Labs. We've seen block deals flashing on the bottom of your screen on IDFC First Bank. That stock under pressure after its mutual set of earnings coming in. It's Aadhar Housing Finance, that's up 5.5% on the back of fresh foreign capital flowing into the stock. On the flip side, big losses coming in on Kotak, but you also have SBI Cards that's joining that list, about 3.5% lower. Numbers came post markets. On Friday, you have Wipro that's lower as well, along with CDSL, Chola, Lodha, SAIL. A lot of losers is what we can spot in today's trade. So all in all, the weekday coming in for Nifty IT already 1.5% lower, led lower by Wipro, Infosys, TCS. Following that, big cuts on Nifty Realty, wherein you have Lodha, Presti, Roberto Realty, Phoenix, DLF. The pressure continues on all of them. What's doing well today is the entire Nifty auto space. You have Ashok Leyland, that's up 1%, joined there by Tata Motors, Motherson. You have Bajaj Auto, Hero Moto, TVS Motor, they're all doing well, joined by Pharma, FMCG, PSU banks on the flat line. But you have some stocks from there that are doing well, some are not, and that's the case with FMCG and energy as well. What's absolutely flat today is the entire metals and Nifty Bank space. So, well, that's the take on the first trades, and this is how the markets have opened for today, about 0.5% lower. So the cut on Nifty has slightly intensified ever since the markets have opened and now below the 24,750 mark. Sharan,